welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this video of logging in, I will be showing you how to delete comment history on TikTok. So first thing is you open the TikTok application. Now once you have opened your TikTok, tap upon profile on the bottom right. In the profile page, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. This will give you these options pop out, and from the options you need to choose the setting and privacy. Tap on setting and privacy. Once you're at the setting and privacy page, you scroll down to the content and display, and there you need to type in comment and watch history. Tap that. Then two options will appear, so you have to click on the comment history. Tap on comment history and you will be able to see all your comments that you have posted on someone video on TikTok. So there's two comments that I have done in the recent videos that I have watched on TikTok. So to delete this comment history, you simply just need to click on the video, tap that. This will direct you to the video where you have commented. Now, all you need to do to delete this is tap and hold it for a second. You will have these options pop out. From there, you tap and delete, and that will get deleted from the comments. This is a one way how you can do this. Going back again, if you refresh it, you can see there's only one left. I'm going to show you one more time. Tap on the video. It will direct you to the video where you have made that comment. So to delete it, all you need to do is hold on to that comment for a few seconds. It will give you this option. From this option, you choose the delete, and the comment will be deleted from that video right away. So this is a way how you can delete comment history on TikTok. As you can see, I have no more comment history left. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.